What game we playing, honey?
Playing strip fish.
Oh man.
Well, here, since you're in the video, why don't you just push it all down? Sorry.
You want to make sure it gets started, or you want me to push it up?
Oh, you can push it up. Take them off.
Alright. What game we playing, honey?
Playing strip fish.
Strip freshwater fishing?
Oh, I need a bigger one before you take your clothes off.
Oh, no. I'll take my shirt off for that. Nice one.
My lake. You have to take the bottoms off now.
Work.
You gonna be butt ass naked, girl?
Get your worm.
Julie's going for straight up butt naked fishing.
I need to change the color of my worm.
No, you have to listen. You're running out of shit. Don't put that shit here. You gotta be doing that to me. Can I hit?
I think so.
Oh, he's so cute.
All right.
You can put a shoe back on.
Wow. Do you keep her size or no?
No, put that little thing down.
Oh man.
Take that shoe off.
Mm-hmm.
The fish.
Oh.
I don't know what you want to take off there.
There you go, honey. Smile.
Number one. God damn, they've cut a bunch of stuff out of this yard too. Yeah. Got a hit?
I know.
Oh, he's so cute!
Let's put my hat back on.
Babe, you're supposed to catch keepers.
Right.
You're supposed to catch keepers. Scammers. You're so cute. Here, let me film.
Yeah, I trust you.
You should. Just tap it to see. Here, hold on.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Big shit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thanks, dear.
I'm just trying to get the people what they want to see.
Oh. I get to put my hat back on.
Oops, I did it again.
Mm-hmm. There you are.
Holy shit! Dim slack, unless he's there. Okay, I'll set the hook.
No! I had him.
Nuh-uh. That is bullshit. That fish was not in this boat.
I think I should get put on an article of clothing.
No, you put your glasses on, that's it. You're like, please come back and hit it.
Yeah. Looks like a good boy.
Yeah, let it stop. Let's go fishing, she said. It will be fun, she said. Yeah. I got one. Oh, bitch, do that. Take your top off, please.
Here.
Oh, bullshit. Just get butt naked. Just get butt naked. I'd like to thank the Academy for naming me Fisherman of the Year, because it's clearly I am the best. Yeah, Julie Higgs, Julie who? With the way she's been fishing. Look, there's bluegill beds right over there. She did catch 2. She tried to claim 1 as a catch when it didn't even make it in the boat. Clearly, she got outfished again. It's just, one day she might listen. I doubt it, but she tried to blame everything from color to front of the boat, back of the boat. Who knows, but clearly this YouTube video proves who is the best.
Wow. Wow. This YouTube video might not be made. Alright. Ritchie's fish.
Whose fish? The great one who outfished you.
Ritchie's fish. Oh, I got a gar, I think.
No, you gotta. Don't lip him. Don't lip him.
What does that mean?
He's got nasty teeth.
Can we eat him?
Huh?
Can we eat him?
No.